You have an important project you need help with. You've looked through the documentation, searched through forums and discussion boards, but still haven't found the right solution. How do you find experts who can help with your project? How do you know if they are qualified to help? Or how much it will cost you? How can you get it done quickly and with high quality, and without having to worry about extra paperwork? With AWS IQ, you can connect to AWS Certified experts who can help you choose the right architecture, optimize your workload, build your application, or set up your AWS services. First, submit your request. Then, you'll get responses from AWS Certified experts. You can review each expert's profile, including ratings, hourly rates, and certifications, and connect with them to make sure they understand your needs. Experts will send you proposals that will include scope and project cost. You can then select the right expert for your project. Grant the expert appropriate permission to your account, after which you'll be able to review the expert's activity and revoke their access at any point. Experts submit payment requests as they complete agreed-upon milestones. You approve these requests as they come in and pay directly through your AWS account. Finding an AWS certified expert for your project shouldn't be difficult. With AWS IQ, just post your request, review responses, and select the right expert. Accelerate your AWS journey today at aws.amazon.com/IQ.